The Motor Spirit is at the Mid-Ohio Sports Car Course, not far from Columbus, Ohio, in the heart of corn country. Mid-Ohio is one of America's traditional road racing courses. Its rolling hills and corners are like the roads that surround it, and has been characterized by some as like Mr. Toad's Wild Ride at Disneyland. Compact and easy to get around, you're not locked into a grandstand seat, but can find your own good spot to watch the races. It's lush, green, bucolic, and a perfect place for Midwesterners to enjoy their precious summertime. With the unique overhead walkway viewing into the garages, it is super fan friendly. IndyCar is truly unique American racing, with super speedways, ovals, classic road courses, and city street circuits. The series is demanding on the drivers and the teams throughout the season. No ringers here. Any Midwest motorsports road trip should include a stop at Mid-Ohio.
A moment in the sun, it's gone and you can't tell.